A volcano southwest of Iceland has erupted, spewing molten rock into the air after weeks of intense earthquake activity and evacuations, the country's meteorological office said. Monday night's eruption apparently occurred about 4 kilometers from the town of Grindavik, the Icelandic Meteorological Office said. Grindavik was evacuated around 3 a.m., 2 days ahead of the scheduled deadline, due to significant seismic and magmatic activity, ensuring the town was fully evacuated before the eruption began. The Blue Lagoon Hotel also evacuated its activity areas, and the implementation was successful, as confirmed by Helga Arnadottir, Sales, Operations and Service Manager at the tourist attraction, stating that the occupancy rate at the hotel was minimal. Residents, awakened by the sirens, immediately left their homes. During the evacuation, faced discomfort and expressed fatigue due to continuous seismic events. The Icelandic Meteorological Office issued a warning based on seismic activity, indicating a possible lava eruption, supported by data showing pressure changes and real-time GPS station readings. The eruption, although smaller than previous eruptions, prompted the evacuation of Grindavik, demonstrating the authorities' proactive approach to decision-making. The lava, flowing towards Grindavik, was about 450 meters from the town's northernmost houses, according to the Icelandic Meteorological Office. An appeal was made to tourists to refrain from approaching the eruption site, so that authorities can focus on mitigating potential damage and conserving vital resources. The lava nearly consumed a building, identified as a greenhouse run by biotechnical company ORF, seen on RÚV's webcam. Volcanologist Armin Hoskidsson expressed hope for a brief eruption but noted similarities to previous eruptions, and anticipated a potential recurrence within 10 to the next 12 years. Anti-lava defenses north of Grindavik are under construction, with the first phase already well underway, although not yet at its full size, highlighting ongoing efforts to mitigate potential damage.